Remember to set up your Inventor project before starting any work. Speed or slow the video to best fit your needs, and pause, rewind when you need to in order to follow what I'm saying. The J key will rewind for 10 seconds, left arrow for 5 seconds, and K will pause. So we have this part, and now we want to make a dimension drawing for it. So we're going to go to File, New. We'll choose one of the Grizzly EDP templates and put the information in here. So let's put in the base. It knows what I want to do already since I just had that part open, so we'll put it there. And for the front view and the right view, the top view, and the isometric. Okay. Now it gets pretty crowded here. We're using A-size paper, the 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to make the isometric a little smaller, 3/4, and typically we do shade that one. So it's going to sit up here in the corner and kind of give us an idea of what it looks like. Now we need to dimension this, and again, this can be a little messy. So let's start. First thing we want to do is go to the Annotate tab, and we want to come over here to the center mark, and we want to put a center mark everywhere we see a circle and in the view in which it appears as a circle. So in the front view and the top view we have 3 circles. So we'll want to put the center mark there, and then we can come over here to the centerline bisector, and wherever we see a circle inside view, like here and here, we want to add those components so that we can dimension their centers with respect to some edge. So we can just hit them here and here, and I believe we have one between here and here. So I believe that is all of them. Okay. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is come over here to the dimension, and let's take care of this fillet here. So I'm going to click here and pull out. And got to be kind of careful. Let me pull up a little more. So I click here, pull out, and I've got this radius of 0.5. And I want to use the arrow to move to the left there and put 2x, 2 cap X, to indicate that there are 2 of those holes. And so it should look something like that. And now we can come over to this hole here, and it goes right there. We can click, and after it we can do a couple spaces, THRU, to indicate that it goes all the way through. And then this one we can leave as is. And now we need to locate this hole here with respect to an edge. So we're going to go here to here. So from the bottom it's 2.25, and from the side, from here to here, it's 1. So we'll just put that there. Okay, let's back out a little bit to see what we have. So you can see we have 5 different dimensions on there. But yeah, we need those. Let's move over to the right view, and here we need to, we can do this one here, and we can use the baseline to get the depth for these parts. And so it might look something like that. So we've got 3 on that side, or on the right view. And now we've still got quite a bit of information to understand. So let's take care of these holes. So let's come over here, and in the top view we're going to dimension the hole in the view in which it appears as a hole. So again, what we're going to do is 2, 3, 4 is put a 2x in front of that. That'll tell us that both those holes are the same size. And come over here and we'll put 2x there. So both of those fillets are the same. And the ones we have left are, you can just go and kind of count them and see what we're missing. So let's zoom up. We need to locate this hole here, so let's bring it out just a bit, maybe to there. And for this one, we'll do the same. That's the same distance away from the part. Now it's getting a little tight here. So I am going to move this guy up a little bit, like so, maybe a little more even. And now I've got to get the width, and I'm going to do that right here. So that's 2. And now let's find the distance from here and here. So the depth numbers for those holes in the whole thing. So let's see, do we have everything? We've got the width is 2. We've got the height indirectly as 2 1/4 plus 1/2 this diameter. So we've got the height. We've got the depth here, and yeah, we've got the depth covered. I think we've got everything covered. So this would be a fully dimensioned drawing for this particular part. Thanks for watching.